Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video teaching you how to draw cartoons. Well, it's been a very long time since I've been doing these because I've been super busy with a lot of secret projects, more to come with that. But as you can see, today's lesson, we're going to take a wonderful fun ride in a snowmobile. So if you like snowmobiling as much as I did as a kid, and I still do, I think you're going to really enjoy this one. So if you have your paper and some pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step one. And here's step two. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.